Hey guys, my name is Doran, and today I want to try and draw everything that I built in the last series, in the last episode of Mario. So Mario, this is going to be like a journey, even though the levels can barely reach. It's just silly, I don't even know why, but you can start in a new place. Like, some of you may be wondering why I am not reviewing. Beano videos and anymore? Well, I can actually tell you why very quickly. Personally, I have a computer, yeah, but I can do it if I want, but not longer than 3 minutes. And that's all with all my other videos as well, so I have to finish the video. Only because the quality I get is just not very. My computer get. I can't finish my sentence without something to be going on. I'm going to get super slow. Yeah. Yeah. Stars. 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 And stars. There we go. Pretty simple. There is no idea, guys, for me. Like, I made my last video a little longer, but the scripts I got weren't that good. Like, the scripts I got were a little bit annoying, and that's what I always get, so that's what I have to do at least on 3 minutes. If I literally upgrade or just got my application a little higher, then I can probably do as long as I want, which I am going. Not yet. There's no point to let go. Like, you know, can I draw something whilst I'm commentating this? Let's also draw bubbles, circles. You know when you're going for something, yeah, in life, anything, and then, for example, say if I'm doing running, then I'm going for my gold trophy. I'm going for it too early. After that, I give up because it was too early. I was going for a long time, but there's no point not even coming. I have to practice for another whole entire time, lots and lots and more. It's not even coming. See, so that's why it's pointless to practice a bit too early. It's not going to come too soon. I know it sounds like you're going for later on to come, but it's over later, which means past it. You can kind of get the reaction I'm using whilst holding the cup. Probably something like that. Yeah, that's true. That's how I'm doing it. With that reaction. I know it's something strange about it. Now, these are the bubbles, yeah? Can I draw? And these are the arrows. These are the arrows. Squash. Arrows. And there we go, done. Now, as we just finally took off these arrows here, you can rub them off as if you were drawing the arrows. Your arrows. Now, a lot of you guys may be thinking, why didn't I do another Where's Wally videos? I've only done the cut once. I really don't want to. I do. I love. I think I like doing. I think I do. It's not like, oh, come on. It's not like that. It did that. If I use anything like Nintendo DS, I can never upload to YouTube. It's only for things such as phone, so I can't do it on any gaming stuff, such as DS or something. I can make videos, supposed to make clicking sound like that little fear bird. It's so funny whenever you take pictures. It's super funny. I love that. Now, I think it's quality as well. I'm not really sure that makes it. But yeah, I can actually draw a Mario editor as well. So yeah, let's just draw the coins. Here's a question mark, the exclamation. Yeah, the exclamation mark is here. There we go. Hopefully you got into the video, but a little quick talk for a second. And yeah. There's a talk I want to talk. Do I have a factor of me? Do I have an appetite of me not like uploading anymore? Me not uploading anymore. Review videos. I can, actually, but probably my sister's phone never let me play on it. Yeah, so simple enough. My mum's phone not charging, and I don't have a phone. I have a computer which I can do a reverse camera, but I find it a bit annoying to stand up, or there's like quality cameras, views that are pretty rare when I do videos like that. So hopefully I just got out of the way, and I don't really know why I don't play any games like Fortnite or anything like that. I can't download the game. Like, I download it, yeah? I can download it, but it gets lost. And I click on it, but then nothing happens. Like, when I click on it, then the little blue mouse around my icon starts loading like this, like a blue mouse, but spinning. Then that disappears, and usually when it disappears, something should appear up. But nope, just stays, nothing happens, and it'll never happen. So I have a problem with games like that. I tried playing many games as well like that, but I am very confused why. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. There'll be more Mario Editor videos, fully proper animation. So yeah, see you later. Bye.